The accumulator in the Aerostar is a metal cylinder with screwed plugs at each end sealed with O-rings and containing a floating piston which divides the internal space into the forward one containing hydraulic fluid and the aft space containing nitrogen gas under pressure. The most popular model is made by Hydradyne. If the pressure across the piston leaks gas into the fluid side, the spring action of the accumulator will be lost and the unit must be serviced. To remove the accumulator from the airplane, bleed down the system pressure to 0 using the flap lever. It is now safe to remove the accumulator from the hydraulic system and take it from the airplane. We are removing the hydraulic end cap using a pin wrench. After removing the valve insert, carefully blow the piston out of the cylinder with air pressure. The replacement piston is made from Aerotough grease-free material and does not require the TFE rider ring that the aluminum piston was fitted with. The Aerotough grease-free material cannot score the cylinder bore. The two Thor seals that come with the kit are really better for this type of application than the rubber O-rings, as they don't tend to take a set. Note that our seals must be fitted with the lips facing in opposite directions. One seals the nitrogen and the other seals the 5606 fluid. Your new piston will come with the lips already fitted to it. Fit the piston back into the cylinder, taking care to compress the lip of the first seal so that it enters the cylinder bore without jamming. The O-ring grooves on the metal piston are not of equal length, so it's not possible to fit the new seals to the original piston. Replace the end cap, renewing the static O-ring. Test the seal by putting a charge of nitrogen in the Schrader valve and look for leaks at both ends. You can pre-charge the cylinder in this way if you use 500 psi of nitrogen pressure or 600 psi for a 700 P model. This will position the piston at the hydraulic end of the cylinder, which is where you want it to be prior to charging the system with hydraulic pressure from the aux pump. Refit the accumulator into position and secure the clamp and hydraulic fittings. Now the accumulator piston is being pushed back in the cylinder, compressing the nitrogen to a system pressure of about 1100 psi. The pressure you will see on this gauge is the pressure the aux pump shutoff is set to. There should be no more bleeding down or leaking with the Thor seals fitted, and there's no longer the same need to bleed down the system pressure after shutting down the airplane. Another quality product from Marsh Brothers Aviation, designed to make your fine aircraft just a bit finer.